In this video, I'll show you how to delete all Google Photos at once. Firstly, go to Google Photos in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Find the first photo in your library that you want to delete. Hover over it with your mouse and a small check mark will appear in the top left corner. Click on it. Use the scroll bar to navigate to the bottom of your photo library. Alternatively, you can press page down key on your keyboard. Once you're at the bottom of the page, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and hover over the last photo in your library. Click on it, and this action will select all the photos from the first and last one. With all the photos selected, go to the top right corner, select the trash icon, and then click on it to delete all your photos. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.